How to buy Damasco AI token. So this token, it came under the symbol of MASCO, MASCO. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, go and check their X accounts and keep following their updates about this token. This is most important. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. As you can see, this token increased by 4,000% in the last 24 hours, as you can see here, guys. And the last 5 minutes, as you can see, it increased by 5%. Almost 6%. So the liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's meaning your investment in the safe place. So to be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here. And remember, this token address came under the Solana network. Now open your Phantom wallet for that and click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet and click here to add your token. So as you can see, paste the token address. As you can see, this is it. Now click on it. After that, enter how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive. After that, in the provider, select the provider that you want to buy with from and click or select it. For this, I will select the Jupiter. After that, read all of that information and click on swap, and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, so this is how to buy Masco token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.